Last summer, I invited my family over for a cookout, confident my rusty old grill would handle the feast. Instead, I spent the afternoon fighting flare-ups and scraping charred burgers off the grates while everyone else had fun. Choosing between the classic smoky flavor of a grill and the incredible versatility of a griddle is a nightmare. You usually have to compromise. But what if you didn't have to? Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best grill griddle combos to solve this exact problem. Which one will save your next cookout? Let's dive in. 5. Camp Chef Portable Flat Top Grill. When you first set eyes on this unit, you immediately notice its rugged, utilitarian design built specifically for the outdoor enthusiast. Whether you're planning a weekend camping trip, a tailgate party, or just a simple backyard gathering, this combo aims to be your versatile cooking companion. The solid construction implies it can take a serious beating on the road. Under the hood, the Camp Chef features 4 robust stainless steel burners pumping out respectable heat, ensuring your cooking surface gets up to temperature quickly. It comes with a pre-seasoned griddle top that you can swap out or place over standard grill grates, giving you the flexibility to cook pancakes in the morning and transition to burgers in the afternoon. In practical use, cooking on this unit is generally a solid experience, though it requires some patience. I found that the heat distribution across the griddle surface isn't entirely uniform, leading to noticeable hot and cold spots that can throw you off. Furthermore, the grease management system leaves a bit to be desired, often struggling to keep up during high-fat cooks like bacon, making your cleanup slightly tedious. Despite these minor quirks, the Camp Chef remains a highly viable option for those who prioritize mobility above absolute perfection. It packs away easily and provides enough cooking area to feed a hungry family. If you don't mind spending extra minutes on cleanup, this serves as a dependable outdoor kitchen. 4. PitBoss Memphis Ultimate Grill. This isn't just a simple combo. It is essentially an entire outdoor kitchen rolled into one imposing unit. The moment you assemble this titan, it demands attention on your patio. It's designed for the serious pitmaster who refuses to be limited to just one style of cooking. The feature list on the Memphis Ultimate is genuinely staggering. It combines a gas grill, a charcoal grill, and a glass door electric smoker, all operating simultaneously. You can sear steaks on gas, slow smoke a brisket, and grill burgers over charcoal all at once. By adding a cast iron griddle insert to the gas side, it transforms into an incredibly capable griddle. However, wrestling with this beast reveals a few significant compromises. Because it tries to be a master of all trades, the assembly process is incredibly complex. When testing the griddle capability, I noticed that the gas burners struggle slightly to maintain the screaming high, edge-to-edge heat required for perfect smash burgers. Additionally, managing the separate fuel sources feels overwhelming and cluttered. Ultimately, the PitBoss Memphis Ultimate is a spectacular novelty that will impress your guests and handle massive volumes of food. It is the ultimate flex for a backyard entertainer who loves variety. But for the everyday griller who just wants a quick, hassle-free griddle experience, there might simply be too much machine. 3. Royal Gourmet GD401C. This model strikes a fantastic balance for those who want dual functionality without the overwhelming footprint of a massive kitchen. The design is practical and highly functional, offering a side-by-side cooking experience that visually splits your culinary tasks. It's an inviting piece of equipment that looks great on any deck. The GD401C boasts 4 independently controlled stainless steel burners, generating a powerful heat output. The true beauty of this unit lies in its split surface. Half is dedicated to a traditional cast iron cooking grate, while the other half features a thick, flat griddle plate. This side-by-side configuration means you don't have to swap out heavy plates to change your cooking style. My hands-on experience with the Royal Gourmet was overwhelmingly positive. The electronic ignition fires up reliably, and the heat retention on both sides is highly impressive. The griddle surface comes up to temperature quickly and maintains a consistent heat that is perfect for breakfast spreads or hibachi-style dinners. The grease management system is intuitively designed, channeling drippings away effectively into a removable cup. The Royal Gourmet GD401C completely eliminates the frustration of having to choose between grilling and griddling by offering both simultaneously. If you want a dedicated backyard setup that is easy to maintain, offers fantastic cooking real estate, and delivers consistent results every time you fire it up, this unit is an exceptional choice. 2. Ninja OGE 951. This unit represents a massive leap forward for backyard cooking, entirely ditching traditional gas and charcoal fuels in favor of electricity, while still promising authentic, wood-fired flavor. The design is compact, modern, and highly portable, making it an absolute dream for apartment dwellers or RV owners. The technology packed into this 7-in-1 cooker is mind-blowing. It features a 30% larger cooking capacity than its predecessor, easily fitting 2 full racks of ribs. What makes it a true combo is the interchangeable 45 by 31 cm non-stick grill plate and flat griddle surface. It utilizes Ninja's wood-fire technology, a convection fan, and an integrated smoke box that uses 1 scoop of pellets to infuse authentic smoky flavor. Best of all, it is fully app-connected via Bluetooth. Cooking with the Ninja OGE 951 feels like stepping directly into the future. You can monitor your entire cook, adjust temperatures, and receive real-time notifications directly from your smartphone. I was stunned by how effectively the electric heating element crisps up bacon on the griddle or sears a thick steak. The non-stick surface makes the cleanup process incredibly fast and completely hassle-free. The Ninja Woodfire ProConnect XL is a revolutionary device for anyone who values convenience, precision, and smart technology. It eliminates the intimidation factor of managing fire while delivering remarkably consistent, restaurant-quality results every single time. It is the perfect high-tech solution for the modern cook who wants maximum flavor with minimal effort. 1. Weber Slate 30-inch rust-resistant griddle and grill. Weber has long been a legendary name in the barbecue industry, and with the Slate, they have completely redefined what a premium outdoor flat-top experience should be. From the moment you assemble this robust unit, you can instantly feel the signature Weber quality in every knob and hinge. The standout feature of the Weber Slate is its revolutionary rust-resistant carbon steel cooktop. Right out of the box, this griddle is ready to cook without any tedious initial seasoning process. It features a highly advanced heating system that reaches over 500 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring perfectly even edge-to-edge heat. You can utilize Weber's interchangeable systems to get perfect sear marks. It also features the brilliant WeberWorks Prep, Cook, and Store system. Using the Weber Slate is nothing short of an absolute joy. The immediate readiness of the rust-resistant surface changes the game entirely. You spend zero time worrying about maintenance and all your time actually enjoying the cook. The temperature control is incredibly precise, allowing you to flawlessly execute everything from delicate eggs to heavily crusted smash burgers. Furthermore, cleanup is ridiculously easy, and the integrated storage keeps your gear protected. The Weber Slate 30-inch rust-resistant griddle earns our highest recommendation because it flawlessly executes the fundamentals while introducing incredible quality-of-life innovations. It solves the biggest pain point of flat tops, rust, and maintenance, while delivering unmatched cooking performance and versatility. The Weber Slate is in a class of its own and the absolute best investment for your backyard.